Coming off a tremendous Commissioner's Cup, pumangalawa sila doon, second to Alaska. Samantala, Reggie Fox!
Partner, si Reggie Fox ang nagdala ng bola. Reggie Fox humihingi na ng bola, ha?
Oh.
He has it at mid-court.
Reggie Fox ang pakitang gilas. Ito sa labas. Kanina sa loob, ngayon naman sa labas.
Ibang klase din ang galaw nito, Reggie Fox.
Sikat ka doon, pre, no?
Oo.
Sikat ka doon, pre. Ito na naman, Reggie Fox.
Crossover dribble, ha? Kita natin.
Skyforce roster ay si Steven Smith na naglaro para sa Sunkist. Naglaro rin yan, kasama rin yan si Carlton McKinney, si Tony Massop, and of course si Henry James.
Yan po si Reggie Fox.
That's PBA on IBC TV 13.
Well, yun ang malaking mismatch.
Whoa!
Bobby Parks and Vince Season. Hindi kayang gwardyahan ni Vince Season si Bobby Parks to perhaps slide and take on Bobby Parks in defense.
Yan yung sinasabi mo, Pinito. Lusot ka agad. Dakdak naman si Bobby Parks. Ano bang balita mo kay Reggie Fox? Two-dimensional? Or is he a... Whoa! From all
ito si Reggie
sides!
Fox. Pinapakita niya dito.
Magsanok. Bobby Parks laban ni Hison. Nabitawan na naman. Wala. Mismatch talaga yung Pinito. No?
They're isolating Bobby Parks.
Pwede nakalusot na siya sa kanyang pantay, pero he took a jump shot.
He wasn't squared up for the three-point shot. Ito na naman si Bobby Parks.
Yan ang kanyang patented shot. Bobby Parks has done or made a living out of that.
Well, this is a test now for Ginebra San Miguel sa half-court offense. Ito si Reggie Fox. Nakawala sa isa. Nakawala sa dalawa.
Nakita naman natin yung sapal ni Marlo Aquino laban kay Bobby Parks. Samantala, Reggie Fox goes up. Laban kay Bobby Parks and Reggie Fox. Under 2 minutes to play dito sa first quarter. Minibis ang tira ni Reggie Fox. Nakita sa Bobby Parks. Si Wilmer Ong ang tumatawas.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God! Ang layo ng talon ni Bobby Parks.
Walang execution.
Ito yung tatak. Grabe, ang layo. Harapan pa ni Marlo Aquino at saka ni Noli Locsin.
Yes, at saka pinitin pa niya ang sarili niya sa aire, ha? Ito si Bobby Parks.
Sumabay pa kayong lahat. Wala pa kayong ticket. Narito si Bobby Parks. Laban kay Wilmer Ong. Sino-sino na yung tinapon. And Bobby Parks now beginning to run circles around his deep ball game. Reggie Fox. Pinitin. Wala. The Twister with the rebound. Peter Naron. Binigay kay Romel Santos. Binigay kay Bobby Parks. Laban kay Wilmer Ong. Umangat. Yes.
Alam mo, that's what Bobby
On for touchdown 96. Yan po ay NFL special sa BTV Primetime on IBC.
Para yun ang gusto kong sabihin. Reggie Fox being 6'2", 6'3", can be guarded by a local. His shots can be blocked by a local, especially.
Yun, he's stolen, yes. Arenzo, nauuna si Reggie Fox. Really go for it. Gets it in. Reggie Fox now with a total of 19. Nagmamadali. Muntik na mabitawan. 3-point shot. Triple V. Bobby Parks.
Straight and true.
Points per game in almost 10 years, no?
Ito na naman.
Whoa!
Triple V. At siguro na-anticipate ni Coach Calabasa that Reggie Fox will try to do the worst damage here in the last quarter.
Ante ang formula shell ng pito, 89-82. Tangan ni Marlo Aquino ngayon. Reggie Fox takes a 3-point shot. Yes! Triple V conversion number 4 para kay Reggie Fox and the lead.